Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our Dodge Charger. Come out of Wyoming. Just had a bunch of motor work done to it actually in 2020. Spent $8,000 on the 318 that's in it. So runs, drives good. Older paint job. You'll see a few imperfections here and there, and just a driver quality type paint job. Does have the hideaway headlights. You'll see some chips here and there that they touched up as good as they could. Just didn't match real well. Does have the vinyl roof on it. You know, and like I said, it's got some debris in the paint here and there. Just a driver quality paint job. And like I said, there's some more chips you can see. Interior must have switched over to bucket seats, because as you can see there, they don't match the material of the back seats. And I doubt this car probably come with buckets, probably come with a bench. Is an air car, missing the compressor and lines and brackets. 38,448, what shows on the odometer. Put a cover lay up on top. And it's kind of wrinkled, so, but looks probably better than a cracked dash. Got, I'd say, new carpet in it. Original door panels. You can see some of that, what this old stuff does. It kind of flakes away. I'd say probably original headliner. I'll show you that from the outside. No speakers, but does have the grill cover. So if a guy wants to put some speakers in, get that looking pretty good. I would probably, like I said, there you can see some cracking. Probably got some mud in the quarter here, I would guess. Some rock chips that they touched up or fixed up. There's a kind of blended that in. You can see there's a little better shine there, and then it goes to not very good shine. So like I said, there you can see the debris and stuff in the paint. So a cheaper paint job, but it is a Charger, and it's runs and drives good, and looks good from 10 feet for sure. Here they must, wherever they parked, they opened a door against this car, and it chipped the side there. Here's the receipts. The receipts for brakes, the engine. There's some what the cam is. Some other stuff, all from back to 2016. Doors shut good, especially for a big long doored car. They got a kind of a rally wheel on here right now, just a steel rally wheel. So watch the video of it running and driving, and then give me a call with any questions. 605-695-7391.